Monday. So we're here in the Venetian Observatory. So this is the Venetian Observatory here in TSILIVI, guys. So when you're here, if you're here in TSILIVI, guys, I highly suggest you to visit this place. It's very nice here. You can able to see the TSILIVI beach. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna start our walk from here, from the hill, and I'm heading to the beach, guys, on that area. So we're gonna go that area, guys. So let's see how's the crowd today, guys. And by the way, it's already, let me check the time check, guys. It's 4:43 p.m. and it's October 9 today, guys. It's Monday. So I have actually work today, but I'm going to work for 4 hours only. So it's gonna be, I'm going to start my work at 7 p.m. so it's still early, so I decided to go for a walk. So I would like to show you how TSILIVI looks like this month of October. So it's October 9 today, and yeah, some of the apartments and shops are already closed. So by the end of the month it will be totally closed, guys. So summer is going to end soon, guys. Speaking of the weather, guys, it's still sunny here in TSILIVI, and the temperature in the afternoon is about 21 degrees, but it gets cold in the evening, like 19 degrees in the evening. So it's still fine to go for swimming at this time between 11 until 4 p.m. now. Let's say now it's still sunny, it still have sun, so you can swim until 5 p.m. Alright, so let's start our walk from here, from Venetian Observatory, and we're heading to the beach, guys. So enjoy watching, guys. So I'm gonna show you first this observatory that been here for many years, guys. It's beautiful here. So the TSILIVI beach is overlooking. This is the PLANOS port here in TSILIVI. There's a small port here where the boats dock, guys. It's very beautiful. And then until the end of this beach is very nice. At Sunday is a long beach, and then you can also go this area. There's someone doing fishing. There you go. And then you can still walk here. They still have place there to swim on that area there on the other side. So the guy is doing fishing. I think he's going to pee. So I'm gonna go down. Alright guys, so we're already down the hill in PLANOS Point. So this is the PLANOS Point, and we've been there, up there. Where is that? Yeah, so we've been there on top of that in the hill. So now we're in PLANOS Point, guys. So we're gonna start our walk here. There's view seats here, guys, so you can chill here while enjoying the PLANOS port view. And then you can rent boat here. They are renting a boat. So we're starting our walk here from PLANOS Point there. So we're heading towards there. Yeah, we're gonna go until there. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the beach here in TSILIVI. So it's already almost 5 p.m. guys, and still have sun, but I suggest you, if you want to go for swimming, you have to come here around 11 a.m. so you can enjoy the sun from 11 a.m. until, actually you can start at 10 a.m. Let's get sunny already here until, yeah, until this sun. We still have sun. You see there on that area, I still have sun. And here you can also lie down here with your towels here, but I don't suggest you to come here in this area. The water is not so clear. I suggest you to go there on that area. It has there are some areas there that has sunbeds, and when you go further up there, you will find free area. Because here, as you can see, I don't know what is that. It's dirty. I guess this is a house or apartment, and the one in the corner is actually a restaurant, but they already closed. They closed already. This restaurant, they have a nice view because they are facing the beach. Yeah, so you have a nice view. Maybe you're going to have your lunch or dinner here. The name, by the way, the name of this taberna is restaurant. The one I can't pronounce. Limanaki. It's Limanaki. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Let's see. We can walk here, or we can walk also here. It's nice here, guys. This is actually part of the hotel. During peak season, there's a lot of sunbeds here, but now they don't have sunbeds anymore. They already removed the sunbeds. We still have guests. You can go down there on the other side. Open for all. 11 to 21 cafe bar, 11 to 23 special cocktails. Oh yeah, so you can be also there. I don't want to go. he's cutting the grass. Ah, there's a shower here that they use. Oops. Okay, so this is one of the corner. You can go this way. Oh, it's nice. Oops, I don't know what is this. It's very soft. I think this is the one that you can see there. Yeah. It says boutique beach bar. So there's a boutique beach bar here. It's nice. Ah, Paris Beach Bar is here. If you're looking for Paris Beach Bar, it's just here. That one. Here guys, Paris Beach Bar. I think they're already closed. Yeah, they're already closed. They closed so early. It's only October 9 and they are already closed. So by October 15, most of the bars and hotels will be closed here, guys. Ooh. I'm wearing these slippers. Oh, they're doing something in this area. Oh, I have to get wet my sandals. Uh-oh. 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 I have no choice, guys. I have to get wet my sandals. So should I remove it? I'm gonna remove it.